Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out a 1000-calorie vegan diet plan to lose 8 to 10 kgs in just 10 days. It's a simple, easy, safe and cost-effective weight loss diet plan which can help you to achieve the desired results. It's not going to be a boring diet plan with boiled or raw veggies. Instead, I've planned it with a variety of interesting and simple recipes with many healthy ingredients. So let's get started and check out the meal plan for the day. To begin the day, let's have a cup of gooseberry ginger juice on an empty stomach in the morning. You have to take this around 6 to 7 am. Pick one fresh gooseberry and chop them into fine pieces. Transfer it to a mixer jar. Add some chopped ginger. Grind well. Then add water and grind well again. Strain and add it to a mug like this. Add lemon juice and a morning weight loss drink is ready. Then you can have your breakfast anytime around 7 to 8 am. Make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking your morning weight loss drink. Wheat Aapam is one of the best options for breakfast. To begin with, activate the yeast. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of lukewarm water. To this, add a teaspoon of yeast and a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well. Let this rest for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and the yeast is activated. To a mixer jar, add 1 cup of steamed rice. You can use leftover rice. 1 cup of wheat flour. A tablespoon of coconut. Half teaspoon of salt and the yeast mixture. Grind it well. Transfer it to a mixing bowl and a wheat Aapam batter is ready. Heat a Aapam pan and make Aapams. You can include 1 apple in the morning. You can finish your breakfast with matcha green tea. Add 1/4 teaspoon of matcha green tea powder to a mug like this. To this, add 1 cup of hot water. Mix it well. Now to this, add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a quick mix and it's ready to enjoy. The ideal time for lunch is 12 to 1 pm. You can go with any variety rice with some raw veggies. Today let's check out how to make coconut rice. Heat a pan, into this add a tablespoon of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of chana dal and 1/4 teaspoon of urad dal. Fry for few seconds in low flame. Then to this add 5 cashews and fry again. Then add 1 green chili chopped, 1 dried chili, few curry leaves and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Mix it well. Then to this add half cup of grated coconut and fry well. Then add 2 cups of steamed rice and half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and enjoy the coconut rice with some freshly chopped veggies like cucumbers, onion, carrots and tomatoes. You can complete your lunch with aloe vera juice. Today I have taken an aloe vera leaf. Choose fresh and tender ones for best taste and results. Chop off both the ends. Peel the skin and extract the aloe vera gel. Cut them into small cubes and keep it ready. Now transfer the aloe vera cubes to a mixer jar. To this add 1 piece of ginger crush. A teaspoon of powdered jaggery and juice of half lemon. Grind this to a fine paste. Now to this add 1 cup of water and grind well again. Enjoy the drink right away. The ideal time for evening drink is 3 to 4 pm. You can go with black coffee in the evening. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Allow the water to heat up a little. Then to this add a tablespoon of sugar. You can substitute sugar with brown sugar if you prefer to. Then to this add half teaspoon of coffee powder. Let this boil for 2 minutes in high flame. Now it's ready, so off the flame and enjoy it hot. The ideal time for dinner is 6 to 7 pm. Let's go with Kodo millet upma. You can substitute the millet according to your preference and availability. Heat a pan, into this add half cup of Kodo millet. Dry roast the Kodo millet in medium flame for 5 minutes until you start to get a nice aroma. It's been 5 minutes and the Kodo millet is well roasted, so remove from the pan and set it aside. To the same pan, add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of onion chopped, 1 green chili chopped and few curry leaves. Saute well until the onions are transparent. Add 3 cups of water and quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Then add the roasted Kodo millet and mix it well until the water completely dries up. Now the upma is in perfect consistency, so off the flame and sprinkle some coriander leaves. Enjoy the upma right away and you can complete your dinner with an apple. Finally, you can end your day with a healthy bedtime drink around 8 to 9 pm. Drink 10 minutes prior to bedtime and an hour after having your dinner. Today, let's make apple cider vinegar chamomile drink. Add a tablespoon of ACV to a mug like this. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Then to this add quarter teaspoon of dry cinnamon powder. Then add a teaspoon of chamomile. Now to this add 1 cup of warm water and mix it well. Let this rest for a few minutes. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. Enjoy the bedtime drink right away and have a good night's sleep. You can follow this diet with few ingredient changes and you can lose up to 10 kgs in 10 days. Also include some exercise in your daily routine for better living. Very easy and a very healthy diet plan. So do try this plan and write back to me your feedback and I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.